CBD Mobile App, a smarter way to manage your everyday banking. Updating your Emirates ID on the CBD Mobile App is quick and secure. On the login screen, tap Sign in with UAE PASS. Confirm the login request, then authenticate using your UAE PASS PIN or biometrics. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to the CBD Mobile App. Tap your profile icon and open Settings. Then select Personal Details and tap Update Emirates ID. Review your Emirates ID details carefully, then tap Next. On the following screen, tap Continue with UAE Pass. Review the information requested. Enable consent, then tap Send Documents to securely share your Emirates ID. Review the details and tap Confirm. You'll be guided through a short process to confirm your details. Simply follow the instructions on your screen. Your Emirates ID has been updated successfully. Tap Done to return to the app and continue using CBD services without interruption. Don't have the app yet? Download it now and enjoy simple, secure banking on the go.